My name is Hailyn Kennard. I'm Miss Ethiopia USA 2016-2017. Whenever I travel back to Ethiopia, one of the things that my grandma always has me do is put ghee butter in my hair because my hair tends to always be dry. So with the butter, it just adds a lot of moisture and gives me a good curl pattern. I was really excited to find the ORS olive oil for naturals because it has ghee butter in the product and it made me feel a little connected to home. The best way I style my hair is I usually just do a wash and go. So when I'm in the shower, I'll use the co-wash, which I love. It just makes my curls really soft. When I get out of the shower, I put in the leave-in conditioner and then I do a little cocktail with the souffle and smoothie. And what I love about it is it doesn't really weigh down my curls and anybody can use it. You don't have to have my curl pattern. And it just hydrates and it enhances my curls.